Hi class, this is JilMac. I'm the instructor for the Community College of Vermont, and today we're talking about assignment 9, and I'm going to be going over, let's scroll down, how to embed a YouTube video on a research page. So here I have, here I can click down and I can press enter. Oops, I got to edit first. So you have to go to the page you want. You have to click on the edit, which is the pencil icon, and scroll down to where you want to put in the YouTube video. Here, I'll put it right after my instructions. So I'm going to say insert, and these are all the things that you can insert. And I want to insert a YouTube, and I paste what it is up at the top. Now I haven't gone and gotten it, so I'll go out to YouTube and I'll look for a Malcolm Gladwell video because he has lots of good ones. So here's Malcolm, and I'll do Gladwell. So if we look at Malcolm Gladwell and just look at all of his videos, he has a wonderful way of looking at things. And so here's one I haven't done, and he's a little bit younger here, but the 10 rules. So I'll click on that one, 10 rules for success, because I haven't watched that one yet. So there's a little, you can skip it, but it isn't going to matter. It's still going to have the same video right up here. So I'm just going to stop this. So this is what we're going to paste in, this URL at the top. But suppose you weren't doing it on a Google site. Suppose you were doing it on just a regular HTML site, and you wanted to be able to share it. You can also do closed captions. Suppose I wanted to do closed captions, and that doesn't really change anything. If I wanted to look at settings, I could turn off and on things. But here I am with Malcolm's, and sometimes they change where they put things. So here I can like it, and here they've made it share. So it's a little bit smaller than it used to be, and if you watch one of my older videos, it might be in a different location, but I'm going to click share. Now share, this shows you this same URL is the same as up at the top. So whether you get it from your share or not. If you want to embed it, here's the embed code. And let me make this larger. So this is the embed code, and this is the iframe information. So let me just right click it and copy it. And if you were going to put it in your HTML, let's just open Notepad so I can show it to you. Takes a minute, I got a lot of windows open. And I'm just going to create a new place, and I'm going to paste this in. So here we have an iframe, and the iframe shows you a particular width, and I always like to kind of do this so I can understand it. Here's the height. Here is the actual screen image with the HTML. Then you get a frame border, and if you wanted to allow full screen. So those are just some of the features you can have. You can decide the height and the width, and if there's going to be a border, and allow full screen. But if you really want to know all the different things you can do in iframe, I would go out to W3 Schools and search on iframe, and it will give you all the different options. But right now that's what we're copying from YouTube. So if you put that into your HTML, you're going to embed that. If you just grab this URL, whether it's from the top or from share, you can do that. And now we're going to go back to our insert YouTube. I'm going to paste it in, and here we can put a title in. We can say Malcolm Gladwell 10 rules and click save. Now we have embedded that. You're not going to be able to see it until you hit save. But once you hit save, then you will be able to see whether or not your video was embedded. And so test it out, make sure it works, and have fun embedding videos. This is JilMac until my next recording.